Welcome folks to my studio. I have a pretty easy lesson here, and it's going to be very quick, and basically it comes down to, I think, a problem all artists have. How are they going to create their studio? What do they need in the space? But the biggest issue is an easel to get your work up, or the concept of working on some kind of surface for your work. So I didn't want to go the easel route because you gain more space when you're working on the wall. And usually I live in New York City, and usually when you go around, you can see on the street in the trash, I found all these great pieces of furniture were in the trash, and I paint the top of them white. They're probably, deluxe IKEA furniture. And I paint the surfaces white so I can see all my implements and I can grab them quickly. And what I did do, for some reason I got an idea about door stops. These door stops you can buy in Home Depot or any kind of hardware store. And I put these door stops down on this makeshift shelf that stores stuff, but I also found this in the trash as well. So these door stops go here. You want to get a rubbery tacky one. Then there's some that are maybe even better than these. And what that does is create the support I need for a large canvas. So let me show you. I take those door stops and I put this canvas out front on them, and then and if you can see, I'm pushing against this with my whole weight right now, and it's not budging at all, and it's got a nice secure sticky fit, and that gives it a lot of security. And what I do, another thing I bought, or you can buy these, this is a like a Elmer's glue tack and stick. You could get, there's various items like this, this is like a tacky putty, but it doesn't ruin the wall, doesn't ruin your art, and you can manipulate it and make it sticky, and you can find these anywhere. So right now this is just a couple dollars. These 3 door stops down here were a couple dollars, so I think I'm invested in this wall easel about $5. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put this behind, I use 2 of these behind the canvas, and that creates a tacky bond with the wall behind it. So then I push that against the wall, so that gives me a little more adhesion and strength. And that takes a nice bite right against the wall, and there we go. And I'm pushing very hard here, and you don't see any wobble, you don't see it coming off the wall, and it's quite secure. And this is pretty much all you need, and you have your easel. So the other thing I do on this flat surface here, this other makeshift table that I found in the trash, I create a system to get alternate elevations and angles. So I just took a strip of wood here and I glued it and screwed it into this tabletop. Everything is painted white again, and this acts as a brace. And what I'll do with this, once again, this baby's nice and tight, I'll take this off the wall, put it down here against the base, and I get a nice angle to work on, so I can come up and do detail work. And this is very secure, it won't move. The other thing I can do here is take these 3 door stops, and then I can put them at reverse angles. No, I actually, no, I put them angle forward right here. Take my putty back. And that can act as a stopping mechanism as well. So there you have it. And I have one more solution you can do with this easel. You can take these door stops, turn them this way, put the canvas butted up against it, it's not going anywhere, and then press against the wall. So there you have it. Great, strong easel, possibly $5 investment. Good luck to you all, and have fun creating your own studio from whatever you can find. Take care, see you soon.